Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Blake's YouTube channel. I'm working on a pressure washer right now. This is the same pressure washer that I showed in the other videos that I was smoking. So I've got the gas tank off. There was a dirt dauber's nest right there. There wasn't none in it though. But the reason why I took off the gas tank is because I gotta take off this whatever you call it, this heat shield or whatever. I gotta take off the exhaust to take off the head. Because guess what? I had left this in my carport ever since that last video I made on this thing. Well, YouTube short. I left it out in the carport. I got everything I needed for it. I come to check the oil. And, well, there's none. So I try to pull it to see if it's seized. Oh, yeah. You can see I'm moving the whole thing. That thing is completely seized. So I've already got the gas tank off and the throttle system too. And the carb. I did get a new carb for it right there. Lightning. It's fixing to storm here bad, I think. I don't really know. I don't know how long I'll have this light up above me. I don't really know, but yeah, I'm fixing to record me. What's wrong with my camera? Oh, it's just scratches. Hold on. Hold up. I gotta... Okay, much better. Yeah, it looks a little bit more clear. But yeah, I'm fixing to do a tear down of this engine. I gotta do it to fix it, so I can fix the C's on it. Let's see if I can see that thing good. If it was maybe a little bit more like that instead of that, that would have been great. Hold up. Let me move that wrench and put my speaker here. Maybe I can... Yeah, I don't... Alright, y'all can see. I don't know how good, though. I'll have to re-look at this. But I don't know. But, yeah, like I said, I got the throttle system and the carb, the tank, fuel lines. I got this unhooked, too. That, switch. But, yeah, I basically got everything unplugged. So, yeah. But, I gotta basically rebuild the engine. That's gonna take me forever, though. I wonder if I could take off this pump and then take off the crankcase on the back and maybe I could see how bad it's seized. I mean, it sounds like a good idea at first, but I don't know if I have the wrench for it. Let's see. Let's get one of these. That one looks like it's too big. Yeah. So is this one. Yeah. I don't even know why I tried it. That one's a little bit too big. Let's try this. Let's try these two. That one still looks big. Oh, wait. Hold up. No. 5/8 will do. Yeah. 5/8 should do. Oh, come on. Put that in there. I don't know how much percent I have on my phone there, but... Oh, well, I thought 5/8 would do. No. Just no. 5/8 is close. I'm not really in the mood to, like, use my ratchet, or not ratchet, but, one of them adjustable wrenches. I'm not really in the mood to use one of those. But I think I got to. I don't know if this 6-inch one will do. Yeah. Don't even say it. Let's see here. No. No. Tighten it up as much as possible. No. Well, maybe. Hold up. I don't see any strip marks. Oh, I thought I had stripped out the head on this thing, but yeah, you got it out. 1. That's thread locker. Set that there with the rest of them. Let's see here. Let's get to this one. Hold up. I got in a fight with my neighbor yesterday, so my ribs kind of hurt because I got dropped on the ground, but whatever. Who cares? If this video makes y'all happy, let me know in the comment section, and I'm not ripping my hand off doing that. No. Well, I want you... Aha, there we go. Nope, not that time. Nope, not that... Well... Nope, not that time. I don't know. Frick, that hurt. How can I get this on there without ripping the bolt out? Did I... Please don't tell me, yep, it stripped the bolt. No, hold up, I got it too loose. There we go. Finally. I got 2 ones to deal with on the bottom. That's going to be aggravating. Well, actually, this one's going to be quite easy, yeah. Quite easy. I'm going to take off this pump, and I'm not sure if that's a good idea. I'm going to try to keep it as stock and not took apart as I usually would with any motor. So I'm really... Is that oil? No, that's not oil leaking. It's a good sign, though. I gotta turn it around, which there's very little room in my trailer as of right now. If I had the middle cleared out, I could put the light in the middle over there, and then I could have some light over there. But nope, I'm still working on that. Trying to... I wonder if y'all can still see good. Yeah, y'all can still see good, I think. I don't really know from y'all's perspective. Ooh, this one's gonna be a tough one. Huh. Well, I don't want to rip off. Oh, wait, hold up. Nope, I didn't get it. Nope, hold up. Don't y'all be laughing at me in the comment section for doing this. I really don't care. Just don't laugh at me in the comment section. I might need that, actually. You know what? Frick it, we'll try it with this. Nope, that ain't gonna work. No. Get off. No. That ain't gonna work. what if... No, well, wait, yeah. Maybe in the moment of truth, that'll come off so I don't shred my hand to pieces while I'm taking off that bolt. Finally, something's actually going my way today. So nothing has. I don't have any thread locker. Oh yeah, we did put thread locker on. Yeah, thread locker. This is where it builds up so much pressure. It just ejects all the pressure out of it. We'll set that in that pile with the rest of the parts for this thing. That's too big. Hold up. Let's see here. Come on, get on there. Did I get it loose? No, I freaking didn't. Well, frick. Unless I got anything in here, which I don't think. Maybe the JB hardened or JB killed or whatever you call it. Maybe that JB weld. When I put the things back in there, hopefully it'll fix that problem. That way I don't have to torque them down to the actual... That's miniature ratchet. I don't have one of those. Don't have that. That one ain't gonna work. That definitely ain't gonna work. Neither will that one. Okay, at this point it's just a guess of how I can do that. At this point. How I can get that bolt off of there. Let's try this. Nope. That ain't gonna work. I will be right back, y'all. Gotta go on my porch and go get it. That still hurts. Jesus, it's lightning like crap out here. Okay. -1. So, ow, this chair. Why did I get this small one? And I missed. I don't need that one. Right off the bat, that one will do. If I can find my ratchet. Here it is. Hopefully, this on take number, I don't know what. Was I tightening that? I don't know. Hold up. I've got to check that. I might have been twisting it the wrong way. I might actually been it appears I was doing it the wrong way. Ow, come on. Why did I say ow? Why do I do that all the time? Get off of there. Oh yeah, I can tell how heavy this thing's gonna be. You can already tell. Oh crap, I can't get it off. Hold up. I can't get it out. Oh no! Oh no! And I can't turn it to tighten it either. Oh crap. That's not gonna work. I mean, hold up. If this works, I might have just got my ratchet stuck there. If I was watching what I was doing, I could maybe get some sense. But I wasn't watching what I was doing, so I guess this is what I get. And if you don't turn, I mean, I had it so close to coming off. Now I don't. Because as long as that's stuck on there, I'm not going to be able to get it off. And I can't do it manually by hand. Maybe these 6-inch things will do. Hopefully this, I said, yeah, no. Frick. Let's see here. See if I can't get this bolt off right here without having to have any of those any of those special tools. Yeah, I might actually have to have a X wrench because I ain't got no screwdriver or a drill. Oh nope. Yep. Looks like I'm gonna have to drill. I didn't know I'd frick up this bad. I don't know if this one last trick will save it. We'll have to see though. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Yeah, no. I can't physically get it to move off. I never stay out this late working on something. Unless it's something that I actually trying to get done. And I can't really get this done. I wonder if I have that exact one. I might have that exact one. I don't think I do. Unless it's in this. And that just came apart. With that in there. I don't think I do. I don't think I have, no. No, I don't. Unless I can take apart this pump. That's about the only way I can get it to get off of there. I don't know. This video's been going for about 20 minutes almost. And I've barely gotten anywhere. I've barely gotten anywhere with this engine. And I'm already 20 minutes in. I am so freaking stupid. I should have kept that attachment on there so the way I could actually use it. But I wasn't thinking. Just enough. No. 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 No, this can't be. No. Okay. Okay, so that's done. Let's see here. So I got it to move. Come on. I don't think I got anything to make it move. I mean, I got that part where you can switch it from back and forth to move. But that's about all I can get it to go. Oh no. I don't know. I'm at a loss at this point. Because that is stuck in there. And I don't think I've got a flathead anywhere. I've only got a Phillips. Hopefully the Phillips does it to get it to move. Yes, it's moving a little bit. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. You know you don't want to. Yes! Oh no. God dang it. I gotta go through this again. Hold it. No! Things ain't going my way today. Whatsoever. I mean, I get it to turn, but I ain't had enough room. Hold up. Let's see if I can just move it back around. I broke the ratchet. Great. Just great. Well, now I lost that gear, so hold up. What if I take this thing and take this, turn it back into the inside part right here, and then I take this and I smack it against it. Hold up. See if I can fix my mistakes. Oh yeah. No. That's stuck. Now how am I supposed to take off the crank? I don't know. I really don't. Look. It's literally broke. I can't physically get it. I don't know. Unless I can magically just break the ratchet in half. Which that probably ain't gonna work. see. Nope. Oh, wait. I still got... Oh, wait. Hold up. Nope. Still broke. Never mind. I'm fixing to take off this thing. It's really freaking annoying, and y'all probably can't even see. There we go. That's addressed now. Good. I don't want to disassemble this water pump one by one. I don't feel like doing it. That ratchet's officially broken. I don't know though. We'll have to see. That didn't sound good. That didn't sound good for the ratchet, and I cut myself. Cut my finger deep. But oh well. Who cares at this point? Ugh. I'm at a loss. Because I don't know. I thought it said... it would work. To my knowledge. But why did I say I thought it would? Why? It said I thought it would work. I don't know. I don't know if I have to revisit this another day or not. But I ain't quitting right now. I'm getting this thing off. I'm getting it off whether it likes it or not. I'm gonna try. Or not. Let's see. Nope. Still limp. Oh, I just smashed my freaking finger into that. Mother fricker. Ooh. I really don't care about them pliers right now. Frick. That one's deep. Frick. I gotta go in just for a minute. I can't take this. I gotta go in and get me a freaking Band-Aid. I can't do it. I gotta get me a freaking Band-Aid before my finger. I don't know. Frick. Huh? What? Nana. What'd you say? Oh. That exhaust hurts. Better. Well, nope. I gotta cut the video. I'll be back in just a minute, guys. Y'all, we're gonna have some pork chops for dinner tonight. Why is there just 2 random ones that's not fried?
Put them in there.
Oh. And chicken liver, I think.
No.
Oh, it ain't no good?
Scared of the chicken.
It ain't no good?
I'm scared of that.
Oh.
I don't want nobody to be good.
I mean, it looks green.
Yeah.
Is that one? Chicken livers. But yeah, we having pork chop tonight. And garlic. Are we having garlic roasted and mac and cheese? What is this? Oh, that's nothing. Yeah, we having some good dinner tonight. I'm gonna take that.
Very good.
You did what? You did what now?
Right.
Oh. Why did you do it with the breadcrumbs or flour and egg? You did eggs. Yeah. Nice tea. Anyway, time to go up to the trailer. Time to go back out to the trailer. Maybe, excuse me. And maybe I can get it unstuck. Because as of right now, that ratchet ain't going nowhere. Alright, let's see. My phone's just getting wet. We're 31 minutes into this video. Might as well say 32. We gonna keep going until I get this thing unseized. I don't care if it takes 2 or 3 hours. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. But yeah, as of right now, that ratchet is broke. And I don't know how I'm gonna get it off. Huh. Do I have anything?